Right, good morning. And it's a Sunday morning. It's about 8 o'clock. And I had problems with getting this cover off. No, I didn't. I had problems with my back brake seized on the other day. So before I start doing the front brake pad renewal and clean up of the pistons, I'm going to change these pads. There's a lot of life left on them, but I just want to start afresh. The bike is new to me. These got some scoring and dents and stuff in it, but also there's bluing on them. I don't know whether the camera will show that, where they were seized on. I could just grind off the top face and crack on with them, but I've gone and got some EBC sintered pads and I'm going to fit them instead. Yeah, just to be on the safe side, I'm going to give this disc a quick squirt. And clean that up a bit. That has got signs of bluing on it as well, but it still seems to run true. There's no ridges in it as such. So I think it's still a good disc, and it is only the rear, so. So I'll give that a clean and bring you back in a minute. Okay, that's that disc cleaned up. Now I want this clip hooked over that, over the pad, and then slide it in. That's the innermost one, and the clip is to hold put some tension on the pins, and all it wants to do is fall off. Perhaps I'll clamp that up a bit. Right, that's holding that on a bit better. The other one. Right, so clip on the back one, and then slide the next one in, and then throw the pins through, and the hole on the pin goes towards the outside, so that's like that. And it's just got to get the pin to go in like that. And it would be better if the pin was facing me. Just need to turn the pin. There you go. So the hole is facing out, so it's easier to get the clip in. And then I just need to find the other pin. Like that. clip behind it, line the hole up before I push this one home. Like that. And then the double split pin retaining clip. Like that. And then spread them. And shove it in there. That's not the right one. That's better. That's one of them. Okay, is one enough? Oh, there it is. And then like that, and bolt through the torsion bar. I don't think these need much pressure. You know, about 23 Newton meters or something. But I'll put on what I want to put on. Like that. And then right, so that's all cleaned up with new pads. Everything's in the right place, cover's back on, and the pedal's been freed off. So it doesn't matter how hard I push that, it doesn't stick on. I think I'll put it up on a paddock stand and just make sure that is coming off. But yeah, I think that's good to go. It was the pedal that was seizing it up. Right, I'll paddock stand it and do a spin and brake check. Okay, let's give that a go. Yeah. Now that seems like a back brake that works. So it was the pedal, but it had cooked the pads, so I've swapped them out. Not worth messing about. Right, now I can get on with what I want to be doing, and that's the front brakes. Because after seeing what a mess the back brakes were with all the copper slip, I want to take these off and have a look at them, just in case. Right, get set up, get stripping. Okay, let's get stripping. Loosen, made that sound easy. Loosen that Allen bolt off to take the pads out first. While it's on the bike, gives you a bit more leverage. Couple of them like that. Yeah. Already signs of copper grease. Copper slip, copper something. which ain't terrible on these bolts. You obviously don't want them to seize in there. Just side to side that. Yeah, they are getting a little bit low. EBC recommends leaving 2mm on there. I don't know whether that's a marketing ploy to sell more or not, but that's what they recommend. Take the clip retaining bolts out. And then the retaining pin. Oh yes. Oh, that one's not so bad. But that one, thick layer. Thick layer. Right, so they're coming out and going in the bin. Let's give this a bit of a clean out. Right, anyway, I'll crack on with that and I'll bring you back when they're sparkling-ish. Okay, so there were some stubborn bits of grunge on there. I'll just throw everything everywhere. It's only expensive. Right, and then just reverse the procedure. Pads in, pin in, pinch that up when it's back on the bike. Well, and you know you want it. Perhaps you don't know what's happening. Car will be no good in a race team. Perhaps they are just a bit too far open. Right, let's get that back on there, like that. Get that hydraulic tube back in there. Nah, it's coming back off. He was being a pig, that one. There we go. That's going to be a pig shit to get back on. It's definitely amateur night. What the hell? Get on there, thank you. Perhaps I should have had a couple of hours in bed. If it's that much of a struggle to take off and put on a brake caliper, useless. I think these are about 23 or something Newton meters, but I'll do them until I'm comfortable. There you go. Same with the pin. There you go, one set of new pads on the front of my GSXR 600 in Corona colours. Oh, I've missed this. Right, I won't bore you with the other side, like I've bored you with this side. But that's that. Let's pump that up. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, even more pads. The old NC700 is it's almost looking metal to metal, so it's good that that was serviced before I bought it. Anyway, that's enough for you. Back pads put in, all looking good. And front pads all looking good with all the pistons cleaned up on that. And as I say, I'll do this one off camera because you've seen the other one, unless I discover something really amazing. But apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Oh, mediocre. Gorgeous. Ta-ra.